So another completely magical dream. I was visiting my friend in LA and they took it to an exclusive club. and the cool thing is that we went in and there was a couple celebrities there, so everyone could bring like a friend. My friend was there. And then we started to see, cute, fuzzy pet mice. And the celebrities were wearing like brown. All the celebrities were wearing brown, and the food was of one type, cheese stuff, cheesecake. And then like the lights went out, and all the celebrities changed clothes, and dressed sort of like cats, and all the little critters were gone, but now there were cats instead. They released cats. All the furniture flipped. It was like a big magic trick, sort of. Physical art, that kind of thing. The music changed, the food changed, and then even for me, they said, because I speak Chinese, so 要是你能听到这个，你可以过来这个. So that someone in Chinese said, come to this secret door. And so I went, and there was even a Chinese celebrity for me. It was just really gentle, magical dream. We need more things like this that change, that are specifically for us. Anyway, keep living the dream and sharing the dreams.